Hello and welcome to this lesson in which we're going to be learning how to make a beautiful sunflower in TinkerCAD. And when you're finished, it will look a little bit like this. Isn't that great, guys? Yeah! Thank you. So, how do we do that? Very easy indeed. First of all, we get started. Open up your work plane, grab a cylinder, put a cylinder in the middle, drag it to about 60, 62. Then you also need to lower it down to about 5 or 6. Okay, and that is your first petal. And you're going to have a lot of petals. So what we do is we duplicate the first petal and rotate it, not that way, rotate it this way by exactly 22.5 degrees. Then move it into position where you want it to be. Now, the computer, and do another duplicate as well, fine. 22.5 degrees again. Okay, now the computer very cleverly understands the pattern I'm creating here. And I can just click paste. Isn't that beautiful? Now, of course, sunflowers are yellow. Let's change the color of that. Yellow. And we'll do the nice seeds in the middle. They can be like a dark brown color. Do that like a dark kind of brown there. Okay, let's have a look.
We need to flip it.
Yeah, we need to flip it. So what I'm going to do now is, as one of my students so correctly said, need to flip it. So how do we flip it? Click on that side, turn it by 90 degrees, spin it around, and then put it up. Very good. All right, let's zoom out a little bit. Of course, we're almost finished now. However, we are going to need a stem and a leaf. That's right. For the stem and the leaf, guess what? We use the cylinder once again. Okay, the cylinder can be pretty much everything. So, like that. Okay, obviously that's going to be green. Okay. A little bit, right? Okay, that's okay. And now, quick little tip how to do a nice leaf. Move the work plane onto the flower. Get another cylinder. Put the cylinder there at the bottom. Drag it out. Change it to be green. Let's see the size of it. It's a little bit too deep, of course. Let's make it a little bit narrower. Okay. Duplicate it. Oh no, let's change the angle of that. Lovely, isn't that pretty? Okay, when you've done one, duplicate it, move it to the other side. Boop. Flip it around. Boop. And we are pretty much done. And there we have it. A beautiful sunflower. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Please go ahead, get cracking, enjoy. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Everybody, don't forget to